Motor's no good. I'm going to take these 3 torque screws here. There's a torque 27. We're going to roll the window back up. First thing you're going to have to do is once you remove the plug, these screws behind, there is a silver rod that goes to the door lock from the outside. That actually goes into this motor. I'm going to show you a new one. So it's like this. On the back of it, that silver rod sticks into here. So we're going to push this one down, release, and take this out. But again, there is a silver rod coming down into here like this. So you push this one down to release that silver rod from here to get this whole thing out. Okay, so you're going to have to, no, that doesn't do anything. So there is a window track held down with a 10 mil. Remove that, that'll give you more access for the motor to come out, like that. So again, there's a 10 mil right here. Remove and move away the window track, which is this one here. And once you do that, this whole thing comes out. So we're going to pop off this cap cover right here, just like this one is. Then we're going to take this out. Then move that. I'm going to stick it in here. You got to do it for me. Yep. Put it back in. Yep. Push that. Okay. Then we're going to take this one out, same way. Transfer over to this. Lock it. That's it. I'm going to put it back in. Put it in, make sure that rod from the outside locking goes into this hole right here. And once you pass through that window track, put this bolt back in so it doesn't move around.
The removal, I gotta do
Once you put the plug back on, we're going to make sure that it locks and unlocks. It works. And now we're going to put everything back together.